Hey there, everybody. It's Alice with It's a Cake. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful two-tiered fresh flower cake. Right now I'm simply putting the bottom layer together. There will be 3 layers on this bottom tier. You will see me put simple syrup on it. I don't know why I'm not smiling. Smile, Alice, smile. And then I'm going to go ahead and frost in between each layer. I'm going to add that crumb coat frosting on there. And then I'm going to let this bottom tier, which is 3 tiers, it will be setting in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes while it's set. Now that I have the bottom layer in the fridge setting, I'm going to go ahead and start my top tier, which will be 2 tiers. There's that smile. I knew you could do it, Alice. Thanks for that smile. All right, that was simple syrup that I just put on there, and I'm going to go ahead and add the frosting in between each layer. This will be 2 layers. Just drop some frosting. All right, Alice, let's get it together. All right, and just going ahead and frosting away. Again, this is your top tier. Now that I've frosted both layers, I put my cake straws in as well as my cake plate to hold the second layer. What I've done is I've actually colored some of my frosting hot pink, light pink, and of course I'm using the off-white. And I'm just making look like a painting canvas on this cake. When doing cakes like this, you can't make a mistake. You just wiping and adding and scraping, putting this color here or this color there, just to make it look just like a canvas. Now I'm adding in my happy birthday pic at the top of this. And if you would, please subscribe to this channel. You see that blinker to the right that says subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Now I'm adding in my fresh flowers. Now I'm going to open this rose up. It was a little tight, so I wanted it a little bit more open. So when you want one open, just gently pull it apart there. All right, I've added in majority of the flowers. Love those starry glazers and roses. Now, as you can see, I'm adding in edible pearls, and these pearls will stick to the frosting. Now I'm adding in the white ribbon around the bottom. Just gonna go around and go ahead and clip that in off there. Oh, there it is. It is looking lovely. You have your ribbon, your edible pearls, you have your fresh flowers. There it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe. Please share my videos. Please put the word out that I can show you how to make a two-tier fresh flower cake. Thank you for visiting. It's a cake.